cold start, but hold on, that bit finna stop. Watch. Told you. What is that?
At the next light, turn right.
Look out for this shit. Early Molly, baby. Feel me though? We almost at the dealership. Finna slide over there, get my oil change done. I ain't gonna really be car shopping, but I'm gonna be looking at some of the cars. I ain't gonna lie. I always do that shit good. I go to the dealership, get my shit done, and I just walk around looking at the cars. And pay them niggas privacies, man.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing good. How about you?
What's going on?
I got an oil change.
Just no change?
Yeah, I'm gonna walk in though. I don't got an appointment.
That's no problem. Just go up to the sliding door that's open right there, and the service advisor will be out with you shortly, okay?
Yeah. We got that motherfucker outside though, I ain't gonna lie. But this shit so damn dirty, bro. Damn. Shit, bro. Dirty as fuck. We still got check engine light and all shit. Right, but over there going, let that shit do what it do. Down but it does. I don't think I'm supposed to come in this bitch. Every single time I do an oil change, y'all know what I do. Man, I walk around and I talk about these people's cars. I ain't gonna lie, that's a fire color. Did that bitch sparkle though? Let's see. Dude, sparkle though. Yeah, that bitch do sparkle, come on. God damn, all these Jeeps, boy. Fuck. Last time I came here, it was a whole bunch of goddamn Challengers and Chargers. Now it's a whole bunch of Jeeps, Durangos, trucks. Shit, I'm pretty sure I can find your big ass mama hood somewhere. I swear to God, I think I can find your big ass mama hood. Bitch built like a damn Range Rover. God, nah, I'm fucking with you. I'm fucking with you. You ain't fucking with me, homie.
Get out my face!
Don't get me wrong. The car is not ugly. The car look good. It does look good. It's the engine that they have powering this shit that throws me so good. I won't lie, this look fire. Feel me? It grew on me. Like the actual model grew on me. Especially the inside too. 2019 Scat Pack. With the oh yeah, past the Hellcat right there. But shit, I ain't trying to get too close to that motherfucking nigga. Hop out that bitch. Speaking of the new Chargers, cause I was driving, right? I was going to downtown. I think I might have been going to Chick-fil-A. I'm a fat ass, I don't know. But I was driving and one put up next side of me. He was like, I fuck with your car. I'm like, I fuck with how your car look. I don't fuck with that engine. He said, hey man, you get used to it. I might put a clip right here. He was with his whole family too, so it's like, the car practical, but 6, 7. Turned it right off. I'm telling you, cuz I need to get that damn check engine light off. Ooh, y'all see that bitch though. That bitch, yeah. That would look like a frog without a bumper on.
Just a quick autograph. Right down here. Beautiful. This is going to be your key. You do need some tires, okay? I'm sure you know.
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as you can get those, the best.
Gotcha.
You'll be safest all over there.
Appreciate you.
Other than that, we're all squared off, man. We're good to go.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You have a great rest of your day.
For sure. Ooh, buddy. Ooh, buddy. I did put some air in my tires too. I didn't snap. Hold on. We got that oil life up. Double it round. Yeah, buddy. Saturday, you feel me? Wake your ass up, go do something, bitch. Wake your ass up, go do something. Like, you don't get tired of that shit, that shit. Like, you don't get tired of that shit, That shit's so damn satisfying. I do need gas though, so I'm finna stop at 7-Eleven right here. Give me some goddamn gas. Cause bitch, I need that. Damn, bitch. How you doing? Have a good day. You too. Telling you, bright, early, bright, sunny. Got that bitch right there, you feel me? I don't even think I got a thumbnail yet, but shit, we won't figure it out. That shit sound fucking vicious, bruh. Shit sound crazy as hell. That's how you live inside. Don't you love the suburbs? I'm finna head to the crib right now. I'm uploading this same soon as I get to the crib and I make a thumbnail. I'm uploading it, bitch. Ooh. What I'm saying, yeah, till I add the twin turbos on it, it ain't really gonna be no crazy content for me to daily upload, dude. Like, if I'm doing 2 videos a week, okay, I can make time to do a vlog and then a POV, or a vlog and an install, or installing a POV, you feel me? But like posting every single day, dude, I need like content for that. I'm still posting every single day, but it's like repeated POV drives and shit. I think I did like 2 vlogs so far, the whole not remainder, but I've done 2 vlogs so far this whole vlogmas. Feel me? But it's like, It's great though, I ain't tripping. I ain't really tripping on it. Downshift. I said like 9 if it was crazy. Shit, I might as well start the goddamn tomorrow video right now then. Hold on. Hey, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Nice little POV drive. Got my oil change, you feel me? Put some gas in this bitch air cap. I'm finna start recording tomorrow video so I can upload both them bitches so I can start editing next week's videos. 16 vloggers. Yeah. Clean your ass, nigga, you stink.